So this is my laptop. It's a Nitro 5 laptop, and as you can see, there is much dust here, and also my finger marks are there. You can see the screen here. Screen is filled with marks and dust, and I'll be cleaning all of these. So hello guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to clean our laptops, our mobiles and our smart TVs. And by this process, you will be able to clean all the finger marks that is on your laptop or phone, and maybe some substances stick to the surface. You can remove those and all the dirt that is on your laptop or your phone. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you actually need is one laptop cleaning kit, and what I have bought is this is Gizga gadget cleaning kit, and I bought it from Flipkart, and it costs around rupees 290 or something. And this microfiber cloth, it is provided along with this liquid, and this liquid is of 170 ml. So at first you need to buy this. There are many options there. You may choose either of the laptop cleaning kits or mobile cleaning kits. You may choose any of them, but as it is of 170 ml, so I have bought it. So let's see how to clean our laptops and phones. So at first, what to do, just take this microfiber cloth and just clean your laptop first. Remember that this microfiber cloth must be dried at the very beginning. Just remember to do this while your laptop is switched off. So as you can see here, now there are only finger marks here. The dust is around 80% cleaned. So now take the cleaning solution, take the cloth, and just take about 1 or 2 sprays and spray it into the cloth. I give about 3 sprays, and then use the cloth and clean the screen at first. Okay, now see the screen, how clean it is. Now screen is done, let's clean the panel. Okay, after the body is done, just lightly hold the wet cloth and just rub it over the keyboard. Just do this lightly, don't press too hard. Let's check how clean it is. So as you can see here, no more finger marks are there. So okay, now let's clean the outer body. Let's take some more of the spray. Okay, see here the upper part is just full of finger marks. Okay, let's clean them. So now check how clean it is. There are no more finger marks, and this is as clean as the new laptop.